Hi, I'm Dr. Shamita Ghoshal, Senior Consultant at Mandarur Hospitals, Kolkata. And today I want to talk about the HPV vaccines, which is commonly known as the cervical cancer vaccines. And we want everyone to know about it and we want everyone to take it. So we will talk about why these vaccinations, when to give the vaccinations, and who is the target population. So let me start with why this vaccination. Firstly, what is HPV? HPV is the human papilloma virus, which is a virus which affects the cervix. Cervix is that part of the uterus which is exposed to the vagina. And because of sexual intercourse, the virus gets transmitted into the cervix. So once this virus is as like a common cold where we get the virus and we get cured of it, it doesn't have an effect. But if this doesn't get cured and it stays, then it can cause cancers. And the main cancer we're talking about is the cervical cancer in females and penile cancers in the males. So we need to think if we can stop this virus to grow in the cervix, then probably we can prevent the cervical cancers from happening in our population. That is why these vaccines came up. So there are 100 strains of the human papilloma virus, but only a few strains are very pathogenic to cause the cancers, and the vaccines are targeting at those strains. So we came up with HPV vaccines 2, that is, it was targeting only the 2 lethal strains, but now we have HPV vaccine nano, which is covering for 9 strains of these viruses. So these viruses and these vaccines have to be given to everyone, every woman or a boy from the age of say 9 to 11 till the age of 46. So the first target group would be the children between 9 to 11 years old. The first, because we want to vaccinate the children before they undergo sexual life, and the immunogenicity is better if it is vaccinated at an earlier age. So the target population are the children, boys and girls both, between 9 to 11 years of age. And if someone misses it, then at any time of your age till the age of 46, we can vaccinate the women. And dosing of the vaccinations are going to be 3 doses. If we are vaccinating for children above the 15 years of age or women above 20, and it has to be like dose 1, another second dose after 2 months, and a third dose after 6 months. So these are the 3 shots of vaccines which has to be taken, and this is going to provide immunity for the rest of your life. Now, once you are vaccinated, that doesn't mean that you will never get a cervical cancer. So the routine protocol of getting a pap smear done every 3 years till the age of 45 has to be followed by every woman, even if she is vaccinated, to be sure that she is not getting the cancers. And so the take-home message is that please get vaccinated. Don't be scared of the vaccines. There are people who say that if they get the vaccine, probably they'll get some kind of menstrual irregularities or it is not good for the body. So these are myths. These vaccines are perfectly safe. Other than getting some irritations at the injection site, we don't see any much side effects for these vaccines. And it is actually a must, as we were giving the BCGs, the polio vaccines in the same way. We should all be aware of this problem and get vaccinated. Please do not hesitate and go ahead, contact your healthcare providers and get vaccinated.